Welcome back to CiaoBedBugs. Today, we're going to talk about something hotels want to keep a secret. If you've ever encountered these blood-sucking creatures that wreck your sleep and leave you scratching, I'm sure you know what we're talking about. Yes, bedbugs. These tiny terrors can transform your vacation dreams into a real-life horror show. But fear not, because we're about to turn the tables on bedbugs. We're giving you the knowledge and tactics to outsmart these pests like a seasoned pro. But before we jump in, remember to smash that subscribe button, that way you'll never miss our bug busting updates. Let's get started. How to avoid bedbugs like a pro when you're checking into a hotel. Step 1. Do your research. Bedbugs don't discriminate and may be found in any hotel, even in high-end hotels, no matter if it's 1 star or 5 stars. So research thoroughly using trusted sources like TripAdvisor or Yelp. Reading recent guest reviews for red flags is also a great idea. And explore bedbug databases like bedbugreports.com or Bedbug Registry to find out the hotels that are hiding these pests. Step 2. Inspect before you unpack. First things first. When you step into your hotel room, inspect your surroundings. Bedbugs often hide in the seams and crevices of mattresses, headboards, and furniture. Give these areas a thorough check once over before you even think about unpacking. And check for typical bedbug signs, which are small reddish-brown stains on bedding or molted exoskeletons. Step 3. Elevate your luggage. If you never put your luggage on the bed, you will greatly reduce your chances of bedbugs getting into your luggage. So, opt for a luggage rack or a hard surface like a table. The simple step could make all the difference in preventing bedbugs from hitching a ride back home. Step 4. Keep things sealed. Use plastic bags to store your clothes and personal items. This extra layer of protection makes it harder for bedbugs to make themselves at home in your belongings. And that way they won't be able to bite through, since plastic bags are perfect for preventing bedbugs from getting into your luggage. Step 5. Do a post-vacation cleaning. Bedbugs can't survive in extreme temperatures, especially high heat. Once you're back home, make sure to wash everything. Yes, everything. Even items you didn't wear, using hot water. Then, toss them into the dryer on a high heat setting for a minimum of 30 minutes. What should you do if you find bedbugs in your room? If you encounter bedbugs during your hotel stay, take fast action. Report the incident or file a complaint with the hotel right away. Take pictures and collect evidence of your bedbug encounter. Reputable hotels often respond by refunding you or offering a different room. You should know that hotels have obligations to prevent such incidences, and if they expose you to infestations, a fair refund is more than reasonable. Also, consider legal action if the situation does unfortunately escalate. Filing a lawsuit against an infested hotel could lead to compensation for damages like medical expenses, lost income, pain and suffering, property damages, and punitive damages. Some studies indicate that a single bedbug infestation can cost a hotel over $5,000 on average, encompassing expenses for extermination, replacement, and business losses. If a guest decides to take legal action for compensation, these costs can surge even further. Considering that the typical hotel experience around 7 infestations within 5 years, it's evident that these tiny pests can pose a significant financial burden on hotels. Stay informed, stand up for your rights, and remember to subscribe for more insights on tackling bed bug challenges. For more budget-friendly and natural DIY remedies against bed bugs, be sure to check out our website at CiaoBedBugs.com. Until next time.